Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Yes, you saw it. You literally saw the title, Rubik's Cubes. Oh, by the way, first, I am on Fortnite, and yes, I'm in a match with a friend. Well, I'm in a, lobby with a friend. Dang. How about I just... I can just make my own. Okay. And he's doing it. Oh, the only thing is, he has a mic. It's just, he lost it at his brother's house and cannot find it. So, he is not talking to me, so that kind of proves it. But this is a very stiff cube. And it will take normal speed cubers longer than normal speed cubes to solve this one because of how stiff this is. And I haven't even solved it, and I've had it for like I don't know how many years. But I've had it for a long time. So. Oh, and by the way, Ninja Geo. By the way, guys, I'm not talking to you, okay? You can go ahead and get on YouTube and check out my YouTube channel, Howler Sauce. Go ahead and do so you can actually see this video. But I'll tell you when to, okay? Because the video is not over. And there it is. Blue side solved again. You want to see the red side solved? Okay. Ooh, dang. I can't even solve this anyway, so. Oh! Alright. I did not solve the red side like I would, but here I solved both orange and green. These are the normal scheme colors, just dark for you guys. The light is on too, so. Let's see. It is the normal color scheme. So, but that's the end of this video. So, see ya. Bye.